Got your license?
Yeah, I've just checked.
Good.
Is that definitely the only thing I need?
You are?
Is that the only thing I need?
Yeah. Good.
Doesn't even look now like us anymore. Doesn't even look now like us. It was about 4 years ago, that picture.
Is it? Right, get yourself ready then. How are you feeling?
Like, I'm fine, but I just... Like, I'm not like proper nervous, but at the same time I'm like...
Oh, I get nervous. Really nervous, me. Sweat like mad. Right, get all your mirrors done, make things really set properly. It's a bit low, that isn't it? Once we get high, that.
Oh, I want that one, mate. How do I move it on? Oh, it's that one. Never mind.
Yeah, just slide it across.
There we go.
Anything you want to practice in particular?
They just go over the manoeuvres,
Yes.
hill start,
Mm-hmm.
and then...
Oh, not your daft method. Yeah. Gas to gas, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, Howie then. Jodie's in for test. Dangerous Jodie. I've got 2 dangerous faults out, you didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And a mock test, but she's going to crush it today. We're looking for a first time pass from Jodie. When you get in the car with the exam, just put your license in there, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't forget. Right, Howie then.
Stuff it, I need to move. I don't know. See, I didn't... I don't know.
What have you done this morning?
Where I got my lashes done.
She's got her lashes done.
I told you I was gonna.
Where you, tell them what you get them done for.
So I can't cry if I fail, because I can't get my lashes wet in the first 24 hours.
If you get them wet, they fall out, don't they?
So I can't fail, because I'm not allowed to cry, and I will cry if I fail.
Why you get them done? Are you going to Leeds, aren't you?
Leeds Festival.
She's going to Leeds Festival with all her mates, aren't you?
Yeah, Wednesday.
So that's what she's getting her lashes done for. Oh, you can see them, right? How much for that?
50 quid.
50 quid?
Aye. I've got to go back in 2 weeks and get infills, because like they'll start to come out, and that's 30 quid.
How long did it take to do them?
About an hour and a half. About an hour and 40 minutes, to be fair.
50 quid?
Yeah.
Gee, me.
And these aren't even the most expensive ones. You can get ones that are like a bit bigger than this, and they're like 70 quid.
70?
I mean, it depends where you go, like, but I don't know.
Wow. Can you not just stick some on yourself?
Yeah, but it's not the same.
Is it not?
Nah. I do normally just wear fake lashes, but it's just not the same.
I hope your drive's not fake today.
Same.
What are you going to show them how skillful you are?
Yeah.
Who knows you got your test?
Well, my family, like my mum, dad, grandma and that, and then just one of my friends.
What did they say?
I was like, just don't tell anyone. I was like, don't tell anyone.
What did the parents say?
Oh, they were all just like, we reckon you can do it, just...
They
were like...
see you mock test, did they?
My mum did.
Did you?
Aye.
Actually, we didn't hear. Don't go through. That's it. Now remember, the whole back position is 1, not 2 car lengths back, yeah? Don't get too close. What did your mum say about your mock test?
My mum was like...
Turn around.
She was like, obviously it's... She said it's not the worst, because she said that, like... She
Tell her
knows...
she wasn't sitting here.
But nah. She said that she knows that people do worse than that, but she was like, obviously, you would have liked to not get any seriousness, but... So, right.
Did that show it to your dad then?
Oh, I haven't really spoken to my dad.
Oh, no?
Nah. Like, I told him how it went and that, but he hasn't watched the video. But I'll let him watch it once I pass. Then it's less embarrassing.
Which friend knows?
Faith. The one who you were saying was a...
Oh, Faith, I've heard about you.
Yeah.
You're a really good driver. She passed first time with no faults, didn't she?
No, mine is, I
wish Dad taught you, Faith. You're my hero. No
I don't even
mines.
think so, because she learnt with her dad like the
Did you?
whole time, and
No,
then
at the end of the road left.
and then she had like 1 or 2 lessons with an instructor just
Did you?
before our test, and then
Wow.
her dad must be decent, like, because he taught
Yeah.
taught her sister as well.
Them pupils you dream of, first time clean sheets. Oh, that feels like when I first met you. Just doing the clutch on its own.
Oh, I did do the gas, man.
Put the gas and then clutch. Show them how skillful you are. What's that other one called? It was a bit dodgy.
What, driving?
Yes.
Jack.
Jack, I've heard about you, Jack. Owen's mate. Like you're a bit dodgy. Would like to taught you.
It's going to kill us if he sees that.
We seen your car yesterday, didn't we?
No, we did, but it was his grandma driving. It wasn't
Grandma
him.
driving.
I told him about that last night.
Did you? When you see it?
Because I was like, oh, I pulled into a junction behind your car. And he's like, well, my car. He's like, where was I going? And he goes, no, it wasn't you, it was your grandma.
Jack, from what I've heard, you need to up your driving skills, young man. You need to get better, more skillful. So did your dad wish you good luck then?
No, he hasn't actually. Gosh. Everyone else has, but he bloody hasn't.
No, but he's paid for them, hasn't he?
Aye.
You're getting away with it, but be careful.
He just paid, he sent us the money before. And then asked him if I could have some money to go to Leeds with.
What did he say?
Wasn't happy. Because he bought some clothes
Yeah.
the other day, and then he gave us money to go to the last festival I went to. So he was like, yeah, it was like just kicking off because I keep asking for money. I was like, sorry, but I've got no money.
Stop.
Oh,
And what did
whiplash.
you do? And give enough driving when you're ready.
Is that good?
Yeah.
God, are you slitting your neck?
And you need the left one because you're in the middle of the road. You need both shoulders, yeah? That's it. Now, do you understand what you've got to do there?
Yeah.
Now, if you miss your left blind spot, it's a minor fault. If you miss that one, it's an instant fail.
Yeah.
Now, the reason they want you to check the left blind spot there because the car's in the middle of the road, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you could get a cyclist coming past. But no. Oh, it's time to go to the test centre.
I don't.
Shoot, man, shoot.
I think you're more nervous than I am.
Yeah, well, I'm not very good at not good at anything. We're nervous.
I thought that was my mum behind us there. I thought she'd followed us,
Really?
but it's not. She said before she was, wish I was taking you.
You
I
are?
was like, well, you're not.
Now, if you take the next road to the left, could your mum pass that test if she went for
Nah,
it?
absolutely not. I said to her in the car this morning, I goes, you need to redo your driving test. She's just, she's shocking.
Sure.
But she knows she's shocking.
Sure.
And she's just, oh.
Sure. Well, don't let your standards drop when you pass. You want to be
No.
skillful. You want your mates to think, oh, Jodie's a good driver. Yeah. Tell her I'll give her a mock test and put it on YouTube. Yeah. I'll torture her for 40 minutes.
I don't think she's ever parallel parked in her life either. She says that all the time. She can't even reverse park, she just forward parks and that's
Sure.
it.
Take the third road to the right, that's the first one. Slow down. And then the next.
Do you know how I just said my friend used him?
Keep tight towards the base,
Do you know
yeah?
what's funny? That's
Yeah.
her brother.
Is it?
Aye. That's hilarious, that.
Well,
That's actually hilarious.
really get on the road.
That's her brother.
Oh, you you what?
What?
Go on and look all around. And keep looking all around as you do it, yeah? Look all around, through the back, and then guide it. You know which one you're going into, don't you?
Yep.
also. Let's close the curb, it's in, that'll do. Right, it's time to wish Jodie the very best of luck. How are you feeling?
I'm fine, but
Yeah?
I don't know. I feel like that's a bad thing.
You are?
I don't
Well,
know.
you're going to have to concentrate, yeah?
Aye.
Now we'll say, do you want your trainer to come with you? Say no. Say, do you want him there at the end? Say yes.
Yeah.
You got that?
Yeah.
Any last requests before you go in?
No.
Sure.
Just don't put this on YouTube if I fail.
Right, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done.
Passed.
Past.
How many minus did I get?
She got 4. Tell them what they were for.
One was for struggling to get into gear, which I blame your car.
Treat me geese like pea soup.
One was for hesitation.
Yeah.
One was speed. Apparently
Right.
I drive too slow.
Driving like an old granny.
What was the fourth one?
When do you have the emergency stop.
Oh, I didn't look over both shoulders.
Didn't look over both shoulders, did you?
My phone is blowing up.
What's up with you? Were you?
Yeah?
Oh, there it is. Oh, get in. Oh, shit, me somebody come back.
Look at my friend's face.
Is that on video?
Oh,
Put it back on.
put it on YouTube.
There's our friend's face. Put it to that one. What did you think of the examiner?
Oh, he was nice.
Was he?
Yeah, he was nice.
Good. Did he chat much?
Aye. It was kind of me.
She's a bit gobby, this one. So, did you thought you passed when you pulled up?
Nah. Wait, so I didn't think I passed when I couldn't get your car into gear. But then it was like, you know, when we're coming up that hill there, like to come back in the test centre,
Yes.
he was like, oh, will you show us, he went, and finally, will you show us how you sound the horn? I was like, I don't think you would have even bothered doing that if I'd failed.
Oh, I've
So-
got to do it. Well done.
I don't know.
He's alright, isn't he?
Aye. Ha! It took me cousin about 4 goes to pass his test. It
Did
took
it?
me 1. Haha. Oh,
Oh, well, now you have
absolutely
to.
buzzing with myself. See, no ruined eyelashes either. It works. It works.
Well done. There's one never showed up.
Oh really?
Yeah. The examiner got a freebie.
Got a flyer from work.
Oh, he went. Oh, what manoeuvre did you do?
Pull up on the right and reverse.
Did you? You said you wouldn't get
The
that
one that I said I wouldn't get, aye?
Did you do it? You must have done it all right.
Aye, I did. Obviously. My stepdad just sent us that emoji with the head blowing off. He did not think I could do it.
Did you?
No, now he's laughing at us.
Oh, well done. Did you do the emergency stop? Oh, you
Aye.
did, didn't you? Got a minor fault for it. Did you do it like how we done it? The last one you
The
done?
last one, aye.
Really
But
good. So what's your tip to give people to pass first time? What would your tip be? If you could say what was your best advice to give to somebody doing the driving test?
I've got a few. Trust your instincts. If you don't
Yeah.
think you can go, just don't.
Yeah,
Because I did a few of them. I had a few of them meeting like with the cars and that.
right.
Another one is don't care what other people are doing behind you. Like loads of people were pulling faces at me when I was going 30 in a 30. Like driving down here, I was going 30 because of 30.
Yeah.
I was getting faces pulled at us. You just gotta not care because the 40 minutes of your life that you might piss some people off could, like, if you're bothered about them, it could cost you another how many months and
Yeah.
what waiting and that.
You lot get worried about people behind, don't you?
But it's like you just have to not care for a bit.
My tip number 1, we drive smooth, master the basic skills and read the road. That's it. When I first met this one, she was like a butcher, wasn't you? Her footwork was shocking. She thought she could drive. I don't know what she'd been doing.
I blame my other instructor. He was shocking. He texted us the other day going, "Hi, I trust you're well. Would you like to book another lesson?"
Would you say I'm up north?
I said no. I've moved up north. I have a new instructor.
You must have just been driving on straight roads because you couldn't have it. You weren't very skillful, were you?
Well, he had us on the bloody dual carriageways in my first lesson.
Well, I wouldn't take anybody on there. But you did knuckle down, so I think the mock test gave you a kick up the backside, didn't it?
Yeah.
They're handy, them mock tests, aren't they?
Yeah. Look at my other friend.
Put that one on.
He's the one who said that if I pick him up first, he'll fill my car up.
Is that Jack?
No, that's Aaron.
Is it? Tell them they'll be on YouTube, eh?
Oh, I will. He'll love that. He'll say, come on, get me now.
Well, you be careful when you're driving. Yeah, remember,
Yeah.
statistics say you're going to have more chance of having accidents with people in the car.
Yeah.
Just where you said distraction drive, doesn't it? You have to be very careful.
Yeah.
Oh, the roads are pretty quiet today, weren't they, do you think?
Yeah, it wasn't bad. I think I got quite lucky.
Well done. Get in.
You know.
I had a test cancelled yesterday morning.
Did you?
At the date the night before, right, Alex? She was absolutely gutted. I put it in for a couple of weeks' time, so.
Yeah. I didn't tell no one apart from Faith, so everyone's like completely shocked. Yeah. Faith was just like, well done.
Was it nerve-wracking when you first got in the car room?
No, it was more nerve-wracking. Probably about halfway through, and I don't know why.
Was that easy in my mock test or harder?
I think easier because I'm a better driver now.
So are my mock tests harder?
Yeah.
Good.
Not scary when you're silent in the car. You actually are.
Everybody sees that.
All my friends that I don't like, I'm going to send them to you. You're scary.
Well, if they want a mock test.
But you're a good instructor because like we only had like 3 weeks to get me from where I was to where I am, and I've went and done it. So
Yeah, you worked
hats
hard,
off
well
to
done.
you.